Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup photos from a Samsung T7 drive on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, connect your Samsung T7 drive to your Windows computer using the USB cable provided. Wait for a moment until the drive is recognized by your system. Open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. In the File Explorer window, locate and click on this PC on the left sidebar. You should see your Samsung T7 drive listed under the Devices and Drives section. Double-click on the Samsung T7 drive to open it. Now, navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. Select the photos you want to back up by clicking on them. You can hold down the Control key to select multiple photos at once. Once you've selected the photos, right-click on one of them. From the context menu, choose Copy. Next, decide where you want to store your backup. Open another File Explorer window to locate your preferred backup destination. This could be an external hard drive, a different folder on your computer, or a cloud storage service. Once you've navigated to your chosen location, right-click in the folder. Select Paste from the context menu. Wait for the copying process to complete. Once done, double-check your backup location to ensure all photos were copied successfully. Safely eject your Samsung T7 drive by right-clicking its icon in File Explorer. Select Eject and wait until you get a notification that it's safe to remove. That's it, your photos have been successfully backed up from your Samsung T7 drive on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.